This is really empowering, guys. Like, thumbs up for this. Wow. Hello everyone, this is Emily. क्या हाल है? So guys, before starting the video, I just wanted to thank to my TFG family for being so supportive. I just love going through all the comments, and guys, आपको पता नहीं है, it has strengthened me a lot and I'm feeling much better from yesterday. मतलब I'm feeling really good today after listening to every one of you, and you all were like ध्यान रखिए आपका and also love you guys for this and I honestly feel thankful and grateful for all your wishes. So thank you so much for your lovely comments. It means a lot to me. Thank you, shukriya aap sabko, and I hope I keep making videos for you guys and you loving them. So that's what, and yeah, so thank you so much. So guys, आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है is based on something that is trailer reaction. Okay, so first trailer reaction of the year for 2021. Okay, so आज का जो trailer reaction होने वाला है is from the movie Madam Chief Minister. Okay, and starring Richa Chadda. Oh my god, she is my favorite. Like, I have seen her on Mawson and Mason or Mawson, Massan, Mason, I guess. Yeah, Mason ही होगा. And I have also seen her on Fukre and Fukre Returns. So I just love the way she have acted. So Saturn Musical, let's watch. And also Subhash Kapoor is there. So Saturn Musical, let's watch, and produced by T Series. Okay, Madam Chief Minister. So I'm super excited to see the trailer because I'm like, okay, this is a little bit suspicious. Madam Chief Minister. Acha. So Saturn Musical, let's watch. Like, this is interesting. Like, I am super interested after hearing this name, especially Madam Chief Minister. Like, ये सच में बहुत interesting लग रहा है. So let's watch and let's see how this goes. So watching on my phone, and here I go. And if you watch the trailer like I have, like I'm watching for the first time, so let's watch together. So here we go. So let's watch.
दबंगों को अपने सत्ता का घमंड है, और वो घमंड टूटेगा हमारी सत्ता से।
हमारा प्रस्ताव मास्टर जी को स्वीकार है, सुनकर अच्छा लगा।
लेकिन हमारी कुछ शर्तें हैं भाई साहब। हमारी पार्टी 300 सीटों पर चुनाव लड़ेगी और आपकी 104 सीटों पर।
कौन है बे?
सुना था एक दिन घर से भाग आई थी और तभी मास्टर जी ने अपने पास रख ली भाई साहब, तो रख ली।
अपने नौजवान साथियों से कहना चाहती हूँ, मैं कुंवारी हूँ, तेज कटारी हूँ, पर मैं तुम्हारी हूँ। लाल बत्ती की गाड़ी में बैठेगा?
मतलब मुख्यमंत्री बनेगी तू?
वरना सड़क नहर बना करके बहुत पॉपुलर हो रही है सीएम।
कुशवाहा जी, ये वो प्रदेश है जहाँ जो मेट्रो बनाता है वो चुनाव हारता है, जो मंदिर बनवाता है वही जीतता है।
पुरानी बातें भूल जाइए और हमें मंत्री बनाकर जनता की सेवा करने का मौका दीजिए।
तेरी सरकार की नीतियों की आलोचना होती है मीडिया में हर रोज।
कौन सी नीति है दद्दा? पिछड़ों का मंदिर में प्रवेश करवाना गलत है, बच्चियों में साइकिल बैठवाना गलत है। मेरे इन कामों से पार्टी और मजबूत हो रही है, बस यही चीज तो हजम नहीं हो रही हरामजादे अरविंद सिंह को।
राजनीति में जब अपनों का समर्थन खोने लगो तो पद त्याग देने में ही भलाई।
हमारे पार्टी के सभी एमएलए को सीएम उठा के ले गई। कल सुबह गवर्नर के सामने परेड कराएगी अपने समर्थन में। पार्टी तोड़ दी आपकी भाई साहब उसने।
उसकी इतनी हिम्मत, छोड़ेंगे नहीं उसको।
मुख्यमंत्री पत्नी है हमारी, और हमारे रहते कोई भी उनका बाल भी बांका नहीं कर सकता। अब अकेले आपकी सीएम, और उसे सिर्फ हम मारेंगे।
मगर मैं जिद्दी हूँ, बचपन से अक्खड़ हूँ। कोई कितने भी सितम कर ले, कितने
Okay, guys, honestly बताओ, I just loved watching the trailer. Honestly, this is quite empowering and I am so very glad कि ऐसा movies बन रहे हैं. And you know, although it's kind of like small budget movies, but this kind of movies are happening, and actors like Richa Chadda, Akshay Oberoi, or be it Saurav Shukla, I mean, they are being on the upfront. उन लोगों को lead बना के the movies are being created. So ये बहुत ही, you know, it's an achievement in the Bollywood industry, I will say. And I'm so very glad that this thing is really happening, and actors like them are getting a chance to shine. So I honestly love this. And the whole concept, you know, how a woman, when she is in power, she has been treated like trash, and she's like been told, or she is like suggested to, you know, withdraw her power, like for what? Just because she's a woman and that's it, you know. ये जो concept है and how it has been portrayed and it has been shown, that's really commendable, and that's really amazing. मैं इधर ना guys, I would like to give a credit and congratulate Subhash Kapoor for this, for beautifully directing the video. So I honestly loved the trailer. Like it's kind of, you know, something really interesting to watch, and I am waiting for 22nd of January for this movie to release. Madam Chief Minister is 10 on 10 for me. So I loved the trailer. Did you? Comment down below. So I honestly loved it. It's empowering, it's powerful, it's packed performance, to be very honest. Romance है वहाँ पे, suspense है, there is politics involved, and there's a suspicion that's going on क्या होने वाला है next, and how the whole movie is going to take another turn. That is going to be really interesting to watch, I guess. And I'm eagerly waiting for 22nd of Jan to watch this movie. So Madam Chief Minister, it's like 10 on 10 for me and thumbs up. So I will recommend you to watch the movie. And honestly, like, I loved the trailer. So साल की पहले में this kind of trailer is kind of a bonus. So I enjoyed watching the movie. So like the trailer, not the movie, the trailer. So and I'm in like eagerly waiting for the movie. So that's what I felt, guys. And that's what. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, please do subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. And also thank you again so much for, you know, the wishes that you have given. Like, it really means a lot to me. So to my TFG fam, love you guys, and do stay safe to everyone out there watching. So yeah, and if you haven't watched the trailer yet, go and watch the trailer of Madam Chief Minister. It's on TC's channel. So yeah, so that's what I felt about this whole trailer, guys. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel, जो मैं पहले कह चुकी हूँ already, I guess. Share this video if you agree with me. And yeah, and honestly, guys, मैं एक बात बताऊँ, I genuinely like this trailer much more because, you know, I have seen women, you know, who work so very hard, getting these derogatory comments, you know, like people are saying ki okay chalo theek hai, she's working or she's high, or like she's in this level because of, you know, yeah, she have done something, or some like she hasn't done like achieved the level because of her hard work and all, but because of other stuff, which is like not right. When a boy goes up, or when a man is in power, we don't say, or we don't question him. But why a woman? Like, why? So this is like, and you know, movies being made on this statement is really nice. So it's really appreciable. So I honestly loved it. So yeah, so genuinely मुझे अच्छा लगा ये trailer, and I'm really thankful that this kind of movies have been created in Bollywood. So it's really nice. And yeah, so that's what. So please do stay safe, guys, and yeah, शायद आज बहुत ज़्यादा बोल गई मैं, I don't know. So and yeah, so that's what. कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं वैसे? I don't know, like my hair is full messed up. Okay, why am I smiling? Okay, I smile all the time. Bye. Okay. So yeah, so that's what I felt, guys, and yeah, that's what. So this is Aniruddha, that bad girl. Have a great day and please do stay safe. Bye. Always.